In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add plugins in hosting your website builder. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase the feature that is included in the hosting your website builder that allows you to connect third-party tools and utilize various different services and integrations. What you have to do is open the website builder, so usually at the top left corner of the screen, you can go into the website builder options and then click the three dots at the left side. Within these three dots, you will find integrations. So these integrations refer to plugins within the website builder. When you go to the integrations page, you will see a bunch of integrations that you can do. So you will have custom code, which allows you to integrate custom scripts into the website, often used to add third-party integrations or to verify your website for another service or platform, such as the Google Search Console. For this, you will have to embed custom code. But you will also have the option to input Analytics, Hotjar, Facebook Pixel, Google Tag Manager, WhatsApp, Google AdSense, and Google AdMob. For all of these services here, you simply have to connect your account, usually through a code or ID. So if you scroll down the list, you will see each of them presented here. And all that you have to do is input your particular ID or credentials for them to be able to connect your account to Hostinger. It's simple and it is by far the most convenient way to use these third-party integrations. If you were looking for something else regarding plugins, then usually you will have to embed code or browse through other options available here. Hostinger refers to integrations as plugins, so usually these will be able to solve your issue. But if you want another thing altogether and it isn't included on these services here, then like I said, you will have to look into alternative options such as embedding code through the website builder elements. I hope I was able to help you on how to add plugins in hosting your website builder. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.